Hello, everyone. Welcome to Jodoo. Today, I'll show you how to prevent new process submissions when there are pending tasks. This ensures your workflows stay clear, organized, and compliant with business rules. So, let's start. We take the order management as an example. To begin with, we need to prepare two forms. The customer info is easy to create with basic customer details. We place more importance to the workflow form, business order. Basic fields have already been added here. To enforce this restriction, we should set up two key calculation fields in this form. First, create a number field to calculate how many times this customer has submitted an order. In initial value, select Formula and then go to Configure it. We use MAPX here, a function used for cross-form data calculation. Note that the first customer ID is from the current form, and the second and third parameters are also customer ID, but from the business order form itself, referencing submission history. Okay. Next, create another number field to determine whether submission is allowed. Also, we need to configure the formula. Follow me to enter the formula. The logic here is, if it's the first submission for this customer or its last submission was approved, output 1. If it's not the first submission and the last submission is still pending, output 0. Okay, save it. Then we need to set up validation at the workflow node level to enforce submission rules. In Node Properties, Preceding Rules, set it as Data Meeting Conditions. Add a condition. We set the formula to ensure that only when the validation field equals 1 can we submit the record. Also, you can set the prompt for users to understand why submission is blocked. Okay, save all the settings. Let's see the effect. Here we already have a customer whose ID is J0001. In business order, we create a record for this customer. Leave it unprocessed and create another record. This time, the submission is blocked and you can see the prompt here. Then we go to process last record. And back to submit again. Okay, success. So that's all for today's tutorial. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tutorials. And leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.